Alright, let me just. And there we go. Hello everyone, that was Prime here. So, computer programming. Computer programming is it's not as terrifying as everyone thinks it is. It's kind of daunting when you do it at first, but since I go to a school that teaches it, it's not that terrifying because there's someone teaching you. So, our teacher told us to make a video of us making a program. So that's what we see here today. We're going to talk about not talk about, what did I say? We're going to, or I'm going to show a program and how to make it. I'm going to explain it. And it's basically a nice tutorial on how to do it. That's what the video is about, isn't it? So, here we have the program. Where on earth do we begin? So, I guess we should begin with the hashes you should include first. We have include IOStream for outputting the text, of course. FStream or Fstream for writing and reading out files. So the program actually works, and includes string for the string variable, because that's going to be very important to what we're doing here today. So, of course, namespace, so you don't have to type it all the time. Namespace std. First, we start off with a bool, a variable that depends if it's a yes or a no. So you can input things. So we start off with string, username, password, UNNPW. UNPW are comparison strings for the later parts in the program itself. Cout, enter username, semicolon, sin, username. So with this, the cout is to output the username, and the cin is to enter the username that you want. So when you input that username, you can actually see it being outputted. Same applies with the password below it. Next, we go to ifstream read. So ifstream read, this reads the text file that becomes created from the username and password. This is so that you can read or access your account later, because the text file will appear in the search folder. Next, we have getLine, read UN, and read PW. Read UN is it will read the username, and read PW will read the password in the text file. Now we have if statements. If UN equals username, and then P equals PW equals password. So double N is for both conditions to be true, and this is what compares the variables. Now we have if it is true, then return. Else return false. This just stops the whole thing, because you didn't log in successfully. Now we have the integer main, the main function. So the main function, it gives you a choice. Integer choice, this is for the choice where you want to register or log in, for the register and login functions. So they actually function, because without it, you'll be able to register or log in. It just won't work. Next, we have choice 1, which is register. And over here at cout, it will show the choices over register, which is 1, or 2, which is login. And then cin to input your choice. When using choice 1 to register, obviously in our registering systems worldwide, globally, you get to choose your username and your password to actually make your account. So that's the same thing here. At offstream file, ifstream reads the files and offstream creates files. Yes, offstream, it creates the text file that ifstream reads to see your registered username and password, so you can actually log in later in the system. File open, username.txt, file, username, endline password, and file close. So here it opens the text file of your account that is created. It shows your username and password, and then it just closes the file. Next, after that main, we have another else if statement. If you choose 2, which is the login system, the bool status goes back to the is logged in up here. The bool is logged in. And then, if you are logged in, then it will just here it says here, if that status cout false login. So if your account is not the same as the one registered, so if someone tries to access your account but makes a mistake, it will say false login. Meaning to say that they won't be able to access their account and their account is safe and protected. But if you are the one signing in and you're the person and you remember everything, your account details, it will say successfully logged in to show that you successfully logged in. That's the gist of our program. That's all the code there is for it. So now let us showcase the program itself. You press F5 to start without debugging. Here we go. So we get a choice to register or log in. So let's choose login to showcase it properly. There we go. Now we get to select a username. Let's type in iAcad 123. Now we get to select a password. Let's go with let's just say iAcademy. There we go. Now a text file will be created. We can find it if we open the source later. And now we can select a choice. Now that we have created an account, we shall input number 2, and we can sign in with the user. No one heard that. With the username we have created. No, there we go. And then enter the password. And there we go. We have successfully logged in. So we were able to log in to the account we created. Because if we go to the source and repos and locate it in the user folder of your drive, we click on login system. It shows here the text files we have created. So here we have the iAcad with the username iAcad123 and the password being iAcademy. So offstream located over here is what creates them, and ifstream reads them. So for the bool is logged in to work. So that's all I have for today. That's about it, really. It's very useful. I'm going to put the source code in the description below. And thank you for watching. Test recording, test recording, test recording. We are recording a test. No, not that one, this one. Okay, we're gonna see how this looks. Hopefully it looks alright. Then stop.